Today we'll be taking a look at the best hand mixers to buy. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the hand mixers mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any hand mixers on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let us go straight to the video. Number 5. Oster HeatSoft Hand Mixer. If you have a habit of eagerly whipping out your baking ingredients before realizing that the recipe calls for softened butter, this hand mixer is for you. Rather than risk melting it into a puddle in the microwave, reach for this hand mixer with heat technology. The Oster gently softens cold ingredients 12 times faster, and it does so while you mix. No need to wait until they reach room temperature. Of course, you can use it without the heat as a regular mixer as well. The mixer boasts a 270-watt motor and 7 speeds, plus a power boost. Eject the included beaters, dough hooks, and whisk using the lever for easy cleanup. All are dishwasher safe, as is the magnetic nozzle. We love that it comes with a storage case to keep our baking drawer organized. Number 4. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer is pretty light at just over 2 pounds, with a weight distributed in a way that doesn't feel too heavy during use. It also has a rubberized handle to prevent slipping and a smart speed control dial for easy maneuvering between the 9 different speeds. As the name suggests, this mixer has multiple uses. It comes with 2 dough hooks, 2 beaters, and an accessory bag. Another unique feature is the sliding cover that protects the holes where the attachments are inserted. This protects the engine from moisture and dust, making this a mixer that's made to last. This is an efficient and smartly designed mixer that performs well when increasing the speeds quickly for whipping cream or for using the low speeds to gently mix ingredients such as flour. At a much more affordable price point, this is a great mixer for everyday use. Number 3. KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-Speed Hand Mixer. If you're not wanting to break the bank on a hand mixer, but you're also looking to get a high-quality option that gets the job done every time, KitchenAid has you covered. This reputable brand has done it again with an affordable yet reliable option. The mixer is on the lighter side, weighing about 1 pound and 13 ounces, making it easier to use for extended periods of time. This is a great option if you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills mixer. It includes the machine along with 2 beaters, but really what more do you need if there's a powerful motor behind it? While it only includes 5 speeds, there is plenty of variance between the speed strengths for multiple kinds of mixing. It only took a little added time to get the whipped cream just right with the regular beaters. This mixer comes in over a dozen colors to choose from, and it's a great value. Number 2. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Handheld Mixer. This Cuisinart hand mixer includes the features you need, plus some extras, and a clip-on case to hold everything for storage. The powerful motor operates with a simple on-off switch, and a one-touch speed control lets you select one of the 9 speeds. It comes with 2 beaters, 1 whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a spatula that all store in a clip-on case that you can also tuck the cord into. Rather than a button to release the beaters, this has a latch, so you're less likely to accidentally release the beaters. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper was the best hand mixer we found for 2021. It's on the heavier side, weighing over 2 pounds and 8 ounces. This hand mixer is stocked with attachments. It includes 2 balloon whisks, 2 dough whisks, and 2 rubberized beaters. It also has a mixing light on the bottom of the machine to give you more visibility as you whip up your cake batter. The mixer has a built-in count-up timer in the digital pad, which saves you from having to set a separate timer. The speed level is also indicated on the digital pad with a separate scrolling dial for adjusting it between the 9 different speeds. To eject the beaters, simply pull the trigger under the handle. In terms of storage, Breville provides you with a detachable storage case to hold all the attachments together as one unit when it's not in use. Overall, the numerous smart features set this mixer apart. The rubberized beads give you a quieter mixing experience, and the additional attachments make this a multi-function mixer. It's the most expensive of all the mixers, but it's worth the cost if you're someone who is in frequent need of a hand mixer. And a bonus option, the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer. KitchenAid makes another appearance on the list of the best hand mixers, this time with the 9-speed digital hand mixer. This mixer weighs just under 2 pounds and has a soft grip handle that makes for safe and easy handling. Control the speed by pressing the 2 rubberized buttons. Your speed is indicated by the light that turns on as your speed increases or decreases. This hand mixer has a sleek design and stainless steel attachments, which include 2 dough hooks, 1 whisk, 2 beaters, 1 blending rod, and an accessory bag to hold them all together. This hand mixer was extremely efficient. Whipped cream was whipped in just 90 seconds on the highest speed, while flour was gently mixed on the lowest speed without making a mess. Although this hand mixer is a significant price jump from its 5-speed counterpart, its added levels of speed and accessories make for nice additions if you're looking for a multifunctional mixer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.